tired of your marketing emails landing in the spam folder? Let's fix that by authenticating your domain in Sendgrid. First, log into your Sendgrid account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand side. Now, under Settings, click on Sender Authentication. This is where we'll prove to email providers that you are who you say you are. Here you'll see a few authentication methods. We're focusing on domain authentication. Click Get Started to begin the setup. Enter the domain name you'll be sending emails from. That's the part after the @ symbol in your email address. Then click Next. Next, Sendgrid will ask you which DNS provider you use. If you don't know, select Other Host and Sendgrid will provide generic instructions. Click Next again. Now comes the crucial part, DNS Records. Sendgrid will give you a set of DNS records to add to your domain's DNS settings. This usually involves logging into your domain registrar or hosting provider. Carefully copy each record type, name, and value provided by Sendgrid and add them to your DNS settings. Pay close attention to avoid typos. It's important that these are exact. After you've added the records, return to Sendgrid and click the Verify button. It can take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to propagate across the internet, so be patient. If the verification fails, double-check that you've entered the DNS records correctly. Small errors can prevent successful authentication. Once verified, you'll see a success message in Sendgrid. Congratulations! You've successfully authenticated your domain, boosting your email deliverability and sender reputation.